Hi guys, and welcome back to Excited for Coupons. I'm glad to be back. I was on vacation, so I'm excited to share with you this Sunday's upcoming deals, and these are the best items that I was able to find. Some of them are free, some of them are money maker, but don't forget that some of them you have to print coupons, and other ones it depends if you did receive that coupon that you print when you scan your CVS card on the red box. So let's just get started. I'm going to share a few deals and areas for Covergirl. This one is if you buy 3 for $4.69, depending on the price that you have it in your store. It's a brow pencil, and your total will be $14.07. You could use 3 coupons. That's going to deduct 2, but the limit is 2 per day. So maybe you could do this deal in 2 different days. So at the end, you should pay $8.07. You should get back 5 ECB when you spend $12, and your total will be $3.07 or $1.02 each. Another great deal will be if you buy one of the brow and one of the Lash Blast Fusion mascara. So your total will be $15.18. You could use one deducting $2, and the other one is a printable, which I'm going to provide in the description below. So you pay $10.18. You get back 5 ECB, so your total will be $5.18 or just $2.59 each. Another deal will be you could buy the concealer if you really want to try. This is one of those new items. Use one of those coupons. You pay $9.99, but you get back 5 ECB. And your total will be $4.99, but don't forget all these, as long as you spend $30 on beauty, you get back 3 ECB. This deal is for the Wet n Wild Cosmetics, but you could just buy one of the cushion, which is $8.99, and one of the lip liner or the lipstick that is for $1.49, so your total will be $10.48. You could use one coupon deducting 2 for the cushion and 1 for the one that is considered for face. So if it is, you could use that coupon deducting 1, so you pay $7.48. You get back 5 ECB, and your total will be $2.40 or just $1.24 each. And don't forget, they also qualify to the beauty club as well. The simple items are going to be buy one and get 50% off. So here's an idea. You could get 2 cleansers for $7.99. One will be $7.99. The other one is going to be $3.99. You could get 2 wipes. The price will be $7.99. The other one's going to be $3.99. And 2 face masks. That all those items are new. So it'll be $3.99. The other one's going to be $1.99. And your total should be $29.95. You could use 2 coupons that is going to deduct 2 wipes. So it should deduct $7.99 each for the wipes, so you should pay $13.97. This is part of the cash card deal. If you spend $30, you get 10 cash card back. So after the cash card has been applied, your total should be $3.97 or just 67 cents each. Another deal idea will be getting the Simple and the All detergent. So you could get 2 cleansers and 2 wipes and 2 All detergent that is going to be for $2.99. Your total should be $29.94. You could use 2 coupons for the wipes. That's going to deduct $7.99, and 2 coupons that we should be getting this Sunday, deducting $1 each. So you pay $11.97. You get back 10 cash card back. So your total should be $1.97 or just 33 cents each item, which is a pretty good deal. Here's another great deal for Wet n Wild, where you could just buy 2 blush for $2.99 and 2 lip gloss for $2.49. So your total should be $10.96. You could use 4 coupons deducting $1 each that we should be getting this Sunday for face items, and you should pay $6.96, but you should get back 5 ECB, making it $1.96 or 49 cents each. If this is something you're considering getting, the limit for this deal is 3. This is a freebie. You could buy this gum. They have this and another option, the Eclipse as well, for 99 cents. There's no coupons needed. That's how much you will pay in the register. But at the end of your receipt, you should get an ECB giving you back the 99 cents, making this totally free. This is for the Milani Cosmetics, where you could just buy the the foundation or the setting spray. They're for $10.49. You don't need any coupons, but if you have any CVS cosmetic coupons that does say for $10 or just for this item, you could use it. If you don't, then you get back 5 ECB when you spend $10, making this $5.49. We don't have any coupons, but we're expecting a mystery offer, so that's why I'm sharing this deal in case you're interested on using whatever coupon we received this Sunday. You could buy 2 eyeshadow, which it will reach the $12 that we need in order for us to get the 4 ECB. So if you also have the 3 off 12 cosmetics CVS coupon, you could use it as well. So you'll pay $10.98. You can get back 4 ECB, making it $6.98 for both, or 3.49 cents each. But don't forget to also apply whatever mystery offer we are getting this Sunday. This item will be on special. You could buy 2 for $15 or $7.99 each. So what you could do is buy 2 for $15, use 2 coupons, deducting 3 each. So in the register, you'll pay $9, but you get back 5 ECB when you spend $15. And your total will be $4 or $2 each. Don't forget, this is also part of the when you spend $30 on any beauty items. For the L'Oreal Cosmetics, if you spend $12, you get 4 ECB. So what you could do is buy 1 of the Lumi Foundation for $12.99. Use the coupon, deducting 2. Also, if you have the cosmetic, you haven't used it, you could use it on this deal as well. If you don't have the coupon, you pay $10.99. And you get back 4 ECB, making it $6.99. But if you do have that cosmetic coupon, you can use that coupon and it'll deduct, you will pay $7.99. You get back 4 ECB and your total will be $3.99 for this item. Another option for the L'Oreal Cosmetic could be getting the mascara. You could buy 2 for $7.79, so your total will be $15.58. You could use 2 coupons, deducting 2 each, so you will pay $11.58 in the register. And you get back 4 ECB, making it $7.50 or $3.79 each. But if you do have that coupon, the CVS deducting 3 off 12, you will pay $8.58, but you get back 4 ECB, making it $4.58 for both, or $2.29 each. Listerine mouthwash, you could buy 2, the zero, for $5.99, so your total will be $11.98, since you do have to reach 10 to get 5 ECB. There is a printable, so you should use those 2 coupons. So in the register, you pay $9.98, you get back 5 ECB. Making it a total for $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you have that CVS coupon for 3 off 12 cosmetics, you could use it on this deal if you like. I did give you other ideas in case, but this one applies as well. You could buy one of the Physicians Formula butter bronzer or any item that reaches $15. You could use that coupon and deduct 3. So in the register, you pay $11.99. You get back 10 ECB, making this item just $1.99. Another great idea is a Clairol Hair color. But before you do this deal, check your Ibotta to see which offer you have available. Since it does vary, you could have the Nice and Easy, you could have the Natural Instinct, you could have the one that is a root. And also check the expiration date before you do this deal. If yours is active and it doesn't expire by the 20th, then you could do this deal. Buy 2 of the hair color that qualifies your Ibotta offer and is on the deal, so it should be $14 for both. Use a printable coupon that is going to deduct 6 when you buy 2, so you pay $8 on the register. You get back 4 ECB when you buy 2. But also, you could submit it to Ibotta. There could be offers for 3 and $2.50 cash back. If you do have those offers, this will be free and $1.50 moneymaker. This is the deal for Got to Be Hair Care. What you could do is buy 1 for $4.99. You may have a coupon saying 3 off any Got to Be Hair Care, so you could use it if you did receive that coupon. And also, we're expecting a coupon to come on this Sunday's paper, so you could use it as well. So it's going to deduct $2, making this item free. The ad says that if you buy Neutrogena Cosmetics, you will get the Hydro Boost Lip, or I believe it's a mascara free. So here's a deal like that. You could buy the Skin Clearing Perfector for $9.99 and the Hydro Boost Lip. So your total will be $9.99 since the lip is going to be free. You could use 2 printables, one for the Perfector and one for the lip. So you will pay $3.49 or just $1.75 each. Here's a great deal. It's going to be on special for $3.99. The Oxiclean Hd Detergent. You can use a coupon that we're expecting this Sunday, deducting 3. So you will just pay 99 cents for this item. As you can see, we have some great deals coming up this Sunday, and I hope you was able to get ready and get started. If you want my spreadsheet where I create my list, it's going to be blank, so you could add which deal you would like. I'm going to provide that in the description box as well, and any printable coupons are going to be provided in the description box as well. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also share this video so that people could get motivated to saving some money with couponing. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.